Memao Aten Esane Emao Akwaba Edeba Abramson TV so and some are a chegu ewa entertainment internet so anna ebre asose yedimu abogo na yekasa efa won ye de ne poma fibre na ye de etuo etwen de esese etwene and same be akoso etuo tutuo bi akoso ewa Awutu Senya East MP watena ejemu ewo ho meba nse ne mpeso aso a ana okọ biaya ye tutudin no enu nti ense me pinche na mente me nwase bi akoso ama enam so Hawa Koomson oye interior minister etanye MP no akochi etu ama basa ye bi akoso katamfonyi no ana echa eguso entise na yeba emrenimfo bi eba abeka me ho ewo studio ha na ebuobo ensa no ho so Same minister no etu ana chairman me ho aba.
9:30 a.m. on Monday, seats meant to be used by prospective voters remain empty. A trader who lives some few meters away had the gate to her shop riddled by bullets. The registration center was abandoned by hundreds of voters, with a few bold ones waiting to see what happens next. Eyewitnesses have been recounting the events of the day.
As usual, we were doing our registration for the ID card, and all of a sudden they said there's a car with a bodyguard inside. That is Hawa Koomson. So as they come, they were claiming anyone who is not part of the ID card should move away. And there was a royal bike here, so they decided to take the bike out of the way, and the guy said he should leave it, he will do it by himself. They just start beating the bikes, all the bikes around, put fire in it, beat the owners of the bike and just left.
And they've packed the last one here. So instead of, and it was the last one that they told the guy to just take it away. And it was like he was just wasting time, and all of a sudden they got annoyed. So instead of them to pack that one, he was the only one that they told him to just leave it there. So they have to collect it and bring it here. The other one too here, and then the last one too was here. So they just gathered it here, and then they've set fire on it and burn it for no reason. So the EC official realized what was going on, and it was so serious, so they just have to leave the place because here isn't safe anymore. Yeah, and they are left, and then like they are gone.
Because this thing, what just happened here is very, very bad. Because I think 1 week days we have been doing it every day. Everybody have been going home safely. By today, I didn't know what happened, and all this one just started like this.
The NDC candidate for the area, Phyllis Nakoyo, accuses her competitor, Mavis Hawa Koomson, of being behind the attack.
These are motorbikes belonging to people of Awutu Senya East constituency, people of Kaswa, people of Peacetown. They were parked there waiting to do their registration, and the woman instructed, I am saying it's on authority, that she instructed that the people should be shot and their motorbikes being bent, because she was there with folded hands giving the instructions that these things should be done. She looked there, she sat there, stood there unconcerned, and these things, these mayhem were being leashed on our people. And this is what happened. Afterwards, there was a man who was taking videos of the incidents, what happened from beginning to end. Sorry to say, the man is a bit physically challenged. This man was beaten with sticks, was really beaten by those brutes, by Hawa Koomson. Testing your policies. Let NDC bring their policies. Let's campaign on policies and not campaigning on bringing people to shoot the good people of Awutu Senya East constituency. The EC officers there are running for their lives. They cannot work there under such condition Hawa Koomson has brought there. They cannot sit there comfortably thinking of how they are going to experience a gunshot within some few days, or being traumatized by the hearing of the gunshots. The EC there are running for their lives, and everybody in Kaswa here is running for their lives. The people of Kaswa are tired, and they are sick, and they are more discerning, and they know what is happening now.
A member of Ms. Koomson's campaign team, Kojo Enim, says the allegation is without merit.
My candidate can never and will never do that. If you are in a winning team, you don't fight. You don't. No. Please. As I told you earlier, NDC, they are full of lies, propaganda. We are not. We are loving, peacekeeping people. So there is no way my candidate will do such a thing.
Supporters of the two parties then converged at the police divisional command. Hawa Koomson, sporting a white shirt over a jeans, was seen moving towards the NDC's candidate who was sporting a red shirt over jeans. The two had to be restrained by policemen as they approached each other, hurling insults as they walked towards each other. The police arrested 4 persons with a gun seized in the process. They say the registration exercise remains suspended but are ready to ensure the safety of the electoral officers should they decide to resume work on Tuesday. Chief Superintendent Charles Ampim Kosono is Kaswa Divisional Commander.
It's the same offense. It's the same offense. So we have arrested 4 people in connection with the whatever happened at that registration center.
Are these individuals you picked from the site, or you carried out investigation went to apprehend them elsewhere?
Oh, we decided to go on patrols. We pursued them and we arrested in a vehicle. Yeah.
Did you see those who you arrested? Were they found with any guns?
So far,
guns are we looking at?
So far, we are conducting investigation. So leave that aspect to me.
At least, can you confirm that they had guns when you arrested them?
We have seized 1 gun. It's a fact. Yeah. Commander, if you say something.
The 4 persons remain in the custody of the police.
Na ye kwa kwose katamfoni no me say mo bose me fa mrenim ni a onim emra na ote emra ate aba studio ha nyene na bebobo se eye ese MP no ede emra se ne nsem na otwe etu menya ba ma me ma ho akwa aba eba Abramson TV so ye na implement o yusu adom no we na ho so ye de na me ase we and send me an HW near Pete. Why am I named there? Ye know a bobo and so near pen for my secret. And they say, you call Awutu Senya Easter. A woman to be journey Hawa Koomson. Anna or call in Petuato, baby, I want to shoot Dina, Ebeboa, Ama, you could name here for Twaba, and other for Chayatin, as far about to a CBC, and I see a big tour. And no more and it to another it to chimney. Across so my ya mammy Hawa Koomson. I'd make it what just Munzo said, or no other change. Why am I named it? Ye Busata Asu. A year as a massive Janino, or she it to a Sabeno Anna. You know Bema, Medawasi, in a mission, in Fatia. It's a few for another 4. Okay. Now, firstly, no, a baby kind actually be offer about to my about it. And then a registration here about it. Registration, you become what I want to say. You better know. And go 4 bank. And I bet I can't see I tell my I live in muscle. Now, I'm not your registration neighbor Basson. Amount will be a when 2 and 2. I'm going to be 1, 2 and 2. I am for 4 bank. I'm for 4 and 1 year when 2 and 2 say. I'm a name, so I'm a PNDC. Omo nipa bi e friend Bernard Boro ko say no kutupa e ma no kwon ye den anu so ko demonstration ti aban say o ti ayisi boss den men satek omo ma ne nye den e ma ne maso ene e maso tena ama audio bi ko be fia abonten ama audio no e be fia anka say omo e ka omo 10% score for omo de be koso aye demonstration ama mo ma ne ba so enu ne enyina 20 a Mrate bejani Hawa Koomson. Mepacho odi Twitter no. Mepacho ni nyina so, but me pese esi ase ni Ghana fo nyina hu ahwefo nyina hu se bibia kaka papa ade ru abeje trede da. Se bibia kaka papa ade ru abeje trede. Cause enam de Ghana NDC fo so mo ma oba ya ungovernable. Ito mo ya die pia da be se NDC fo bufuo, ebe se NDC fo kutupa. Ya omega do yanka se bibi a wo ka papa e le trede no na da se mi tie wo nkomodidi mu a ada e wakoye MPP ni no ana wo pese maame ne de no ye na eya ana
me pa cho me nya MPP ni ana mi na o ma MPP
da bi won kasa ye mo ne wo nyina so kame akoye se wo ka bi ema minister no ese de wo ye na efa kwan
me pa cho ma me nka asem ba ku ni na afofo ni na efa odo meet me ka se me neutral ana meet me ka se me MPP achi oh ebi asene ye se ba bia no da no
yempo yam previous platform we so anya MPP
ana baby ano kwela ye to afa anto ye de
efi so
ba na me ma tiofo nya do fo nya afi afi se de bi ndu e ma die we nyina nsi ye no efiti se nkofo bi ene ba bi omo ye eye ndi fo no ba bi omo ye ntina ma ma no so ye sa ma mi mo wura asem mi nua be ma mi bo wura asem ni se ma mi tutuo abra ye wo emlam ye fe bi self defense na self defense no se obi ba do ku anase no be bia wa de na nipa no do ku na se obi etuo da nche no ko pa ba na wo kura tuo bi atu du ku nipa na so tu di bo nipa se be ya wo ebi a be tu da bo ne nai enku ni sa o ku ni sa so a wa ko so meda o ko so meda police for
na se woni fa se wo ku nipa
o nipa so ku nipa
o bo ne nai e mo ohojo good na de o person we
good na ye timi di na ko akojina na nim na na den akasa dem cho unya be ma dem cho
so se maame no na o defend na ho
de mi no sa maame no na o defend no nti no tutuo obi a wo sense of mu obi a no betima kwale prekope aba be gina da dia tutuo pepe abra hwe nkoso
na ade be nso na ba maame ni timu a o ko se wa di mu fan na woni ntanzo kwa bi anu a wodi tuo ne se no
akona ka e me de fa so na di mu fan anko ko nso na ka o mo adi mu fan na ka hwe nkoso a aka maame no so entimi enye hwe e wo ho no
ya sha kata mponyu na yensu bienhu se obi ekobo maame no anato wa ya nso maame
anu de wa hu de ekoso na maame ya ta de wa hu asem no most of us don't know the root of it. It just say there was one na ba abante no anu na ni page na ka say dia dem to ati ase thank you kumu pa ka be hu the reason why dia sa ka so ma so ma for ha ni e wo ka so ho no pa aye pa e ma me ne empa so aye ka so no ko ye sa adumagi wo da ko for e ha ni e wo ye pa wo so no de atutra for na na ko bebre egu ka so no enti amanfo abopa say omunya ni o ma enfra e wo ho no enti ma me du na omunya na yi for the first time a person omunya ma me na onko mendi but na me so ama kwan say obetumi aye sa de no ana ma warning shot I want to alpha money point na fan to the person but one is not the man we say so what try to kill me there I'm here I'm also ready to face you
na say emrenim ni no na o defend na ho
mo
pinche bia
na o defend no enye say bia obeku nipa e wo ho no e defending another o defending and ho wo ho no but she was not meant to kill someone over there but it was in the form of protecting herself from the terror attack that was coming to her that moment. But they make another anything na ma no etimi eye sa de no ntima no anko no say okoko kum nipa anato wanko so okututuo akum nipa wo no enti na ma warning shot anko the train nipa so say bo no won kum dia and then can attempt to murder.
So from your point of view, you want me to understand you that the lady was not intentionally going to shoot anybody,
but it was a self-defense.
Okay.
And I will come here so my master no can say self-defense. Omo come na ni ma omo hu dia omo ne be ka ewo ho no say one to two na self-defense ewo ho no.
Okay, me da wa say esane emma mo ene adwuma say e to nsa frɛ o baaye
no so me da wa se pa
me ba tell asefo yenia be ma ye ne ekasa eye mrenim ni a wote emirate eno nti ode ne number ene ne din ebesuja na se wohia no efa esensemi hu a watimi apusu enhoma no na wone ne edi ensawo so
emianu na brofo media ne nkroma asolo ba oba techem di nka ono fe di ma amanfo ni ade ni eye report na me no me 024469 8178 na mi so bibia me nyakopo anko bibia
me a me di dwumade mu tia me di ene ohene ba apese amfonsa ya kram